So guys, we are back on the official platform of WeOnMarket.com, and today we'll be talking about the different technical indicators such as moving average, polygon bands, identifying retracement levels, and stop loss order. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Also, please note all the resources and links will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out too. So the first thing that we're going to start with are the moving average. And here you can see the explanation of the moving average. So imagine a stock price chart with daily prices plotted on it. The moving average would be a line that runs through the price data. With a simple moving average, SMA, this line would smooth out price fluctuations to show a clearer trend. An exponential moving average, EMA, would be similar but responds more quickly to current price changes, so the line may be closer to the current prices. And as you can see here, this is the moving average right here. So now I'm going to show you how to use the moving average in the platform of WeOnMarket. So as you can see here, there is multiple types of moving average. But we have here the main moving average. Once you press it, you will be able to see it on the main chart that you're seeing. As you can see, it's a blue line here, and that's the moving average basically. Now we're going to talk about the Bollinger Bands. So start again with the stock price chart. The center line of the Bollinger Bands is a moving average, often an SMA. There are two other lines, one above and one below the center line. These are typically set to standard deviations from the mean moving average. The area between the upper and the lower bands represents the normal range of price movement. Narrow bands indicate low volatility, while wide bands indicate high volatility. And I'm gonna now show you how to use the Bollinger Bands on WeOnMarket. So you go to indicators and you just search for Bollinger Bands, and you just select this one. As you can see here, this is the Bollinger Bands. This is the middle line that I talked about, and it's practically a moving average. And these are the two other lines, this one, the blue one, and the other blue. As you can see here, you can see the fluctuation or the volatility of Bitcoin based on the time. So now I'm going to show you also another interesting feature, which is identifying retracement levels. So first of all, as you can see here in the BTC USD, so after a significant price movement and either up or down, stocks or other assets often experience a retracement, a partial reversal of the original move. Fibonacci retracement levels are used to predict the magnitude of this retracement. Traders draw Fibonacci levels between the high and the low points of a significant price movement, and the resulting horizontal line and the percentage mentioned above are used to indicate whether retracement might stop or reverse. And if you go to the indicators, it's Fibonacci retracement, and you can have here, if you press Alt plus F, it will automatically show on the chart. But as you can see here, these are the the Fibonacci retracement levels, and based here it's with percentage 0, 0.236, 0.382, and going until it reaches 1. So now I'm gonna also talk you a little bit as an amateur trader, or you're just beginning with your trading experience, about the stop loss order. So let's say that you place an order and you bought some Bitcoin, or you want to buy some Bitcoin. I would recommend you guys also looking to all these advanced settings because they are so important. First option is the stop loss, which is the stop loss order, and stop loss order play a crucial role in limiting potential losses by automatically closing a trade. When the price reaches a predetermined level, this helps protect your capital and prevents emotional decisions in adverse market conditions. Traders can also use advanced techniques such as trailing stop loss order, which adjusts the stop loss level if the price moves in their favor. This allows traders to lock in profits while giving the trade room to breathe and potentially reap larger profits. There is also the take profit. So once, for example, let's say you invested $1,000 on Bitcoin. Once that $1,000 reaches $2,000, then the trade will be automatically closed and you will be getting all the profits. And this is the option open trade when rate is. So let's say, for example, that you think that price of the Bitcoin is a little bit high now at 68,000. You would say, I would buy when the price is at 65. But probably when it reaches that specific price, maybe you are busy, maybe you are not looking into the chart, maybe you are sleeping or doing other things. So the trade will open automatically once price reaches that amount. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Bye bye.